Welcome to Excel with Excel. So I'm going to show you how to freeze our top row here and also how to freeze a side column. So imagine if you have a large data set and you're having to scroll down throughout your data and now your header is missing. So to avoid having to click Control Page Up or to have to keep on dragging or scrolling the mouse up to see your header, let's make this header stick or freeze. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to one of my row, to the first row here, and I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to click View, Freeze Panes, Freeze Top Row. And now, when I scroll down, the header is still intact. I want to do the same for this side column here. So when I scroll over, the side column is lost. I don't see it anymore. I want to make it stay in place. Let me unfreeze that first pane here. Let me go here. View, freeze panes, freeze first column. So now as I scroll over, that first column stays put. Awesome. Let me unfreeze this. Now what if I want to freeze both the top row and the first column? So let me click. So you see there's an option here for freeze panes. So I'm going to put my cursor in cell B2. And then I'm going to click freeze panes. And now we see that they are both frozen, the side panel and the top panel. Thank you for watching Excel with Excel. Please subscribe for more tutorials.